Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Now, pay attention, children. Today, we'll be doing the clever jackal reading, means the teacher will do the model reading. So, please be ready with the book because we'll be solving the exercises in the book, that is page 18, 19, 23, 24. English textbook, English textbook, reading of the chapter 2, The Clever Jackal. Okay? And then we will be solving the exercise given in the page number 18, 19, 23, 24. So please bring your book and please try to solve along with the teacher. Bring the book, children. You can pause this video and bring the book. Okay, I'll begin with the reading. The Clever Jackal. Once upon a time, please read with the teacher. Once. Now, children, first line, I'm just reading without pen because if I take the pen, the sentence is going to be hidden while taking the pen. I won't be able to read it. Okay, children? Yes, read with me. Once upon a time, a tiger was caught in a trap. He tried. I'm reading this. He tried and tried to get 1 minute to get out, second line, but the trap was, yes, I'm on the second line, out, but the trap was very strong and he could not get through the bars. Next line, just then an old man came walking by. The tiger cried out, "Let me out, my friend. Let me out of this awful trap." Awful means very painful, very bad, something bad. "No," said the old man. "You will eat me up." Or in the sense, I am reading one by one, but actually how you supposed to read? "No," said the old man. "You will eat me up." Okay? Next line. "No, no," said the tiger. "I shall be your friend and servant." servant. Next line. Then he cried and cried until, this word is until, until, the old man at last opened the door. The tiger, next line, immediately caught, 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 immediately. This word is immediately, which I am underlining. Immediately caught hold of the old man. Okay. Next line, "You fool," roared the tiger. "Now I shall eat you up." Next. Now, the old man started to cry. The old man started to cry, and the tiger said, "All right, I shall let you go. But first, ask for help from 3 things you see. If they agree to help you, I shall let you go." Next line. The old man asked a great tree in the, next line, forest for help. but the tree laughed. Next line. You are lucky, said the tree. People eat my leaves and cut my branches. Next line. Go away. The old man saw a bullock pulling water from a next line, well. 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 Here this word is bullock. Bullock. He asked the bullock for help. Then what did the bullock say? First he went to the great tree. He said no. Then he went to the bullock. He also said no. Then what did the bullock say? You are lucky. Next line. Old man, said the bullock. What is SAID? Said. I work all day and get little to eat. Next line. Then the old man said to the road, Oh road, tell the tiger to let me free. Next line. Never, said the road. You are lucky. Look at me. People walk and ride on me. Next line. They throw rubbish on me. Go back to the tiger. Next line. The old man was sad, but he was also honest. Your H is silent. Okay, children, beta? And only from the O letter sound we read as honest. We don't read as honest. H says her, but your H is silent, so we read it as honest. He walked back to the tiger. Next line. On the way, he met a jackal. Next line. What's the matter, old man? Asked the jackal. Next line. The old man told him the story of the tiger. And now the tiger will eat me, he cried. The jackal felt sad. The jackal, Jackal, felt sad. I will help you, he said, and went with the old man to next line, the tiger. Next line. How did you get into the trap in the beginning? He asked the tiger. Next line. Like this, replied the tiger. Next line. But how? Show me, said the jackal. Next line. The tiger got into the trap, and at once the jackal shut the door. Next line. Now stay there, said the clever jackal, and he and the old man went away. Now children, now we are going to solve the exercise given in the test book. Okay, now everyone come to the page number, come to the page number 23. Come to the page number 23. This is page 23. Please come to the page number 23, children. Yes. We are going to see you working with words. Means words are given. We have to work with it. And what we have to do is that, here number 1, use the following words in sentences of your own. In sentences of your own. All these word sentences we will be sending to you. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss with you. I want you that even you should try to make the sentences, children. You can make simple sentence also. No problem. but I am going to make the sentences and you try to please listen. First, we'll begin with friend. Okay, my friend dropped a bowl of ice cream on the floor. I'm repeating, my friend dropped a bowl of ice cream on the floor. You can make any other sentence about your friend. I have no problem. You can make your own sentence also. The next word B is awful. Awful. Now your friend has dropped the ice cream. So what happened next? The dropped bowl of ice cream made an awful mess on the carpet. अब वो carpet में पूरा आइसक्रीम आपका पूरा mess up हो गया because your friend has dropped the bowl of ice cream. So you can say an awful mess, you can say. I'm repeating B1, awful. The dropped bowl of ice cream made an awful mess on the carpet. Next is immediately. Next is immediately means at once. Anu immediately rushed to her friends to help them. Such a nice sentence. Okay, once again, Anu immediately rushed to her friends to help them. Okay, children. Next, lucky. Raj was lucky to win the game. Or you can say, I was lucky to win the game. Or you can say, I am lucky to have such a nice family. I am lucky to have such a nice parents. You can change it. Next, last one is rubbish. Okay, put the rubbish in the bin. Put the rubbish in the bin. Okay, children. Now, question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the words from the list below. Here the words are given extra. I'll read out the word first for you. EXTRA, extra. AGREE, agree. THROUGH, through. SUDDENLY, suddenly. FOUGHT, fought. AWFUL, awful. DECIDED, decided. First word again, extra. Next, agree. Through. Suddenly. Fought. Awful. Decided. We have to write all these words in the blank given below. Okay, children, let us begin. The first one, this is all from the chapter, from the lesson. The jackal dashed to help him. The jackal dashed to help him. अब jackal तैयार हो गया था help करने के लिए. So we can use the word agree. First I'll remove the tick mark from here. Okay, I'll remove the tick mark and the dash. Okay, then I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be easy for you. Again, I'll take the pen. Okay, the jackal agree. You have to write this word. Sorry, the jackal decided, better, not agree. He decided. The jackal, what is that word? Yes, this is number 1. Decided. He decided to help him. Okay, help him who? The old man. Number 2, they will not dash to save me. They will not agree. Agree ne manna. This will be number 2. They will not agree to save me. See, this is a dash trap. Everybody knows from the chapter, this is the awful trap. AWFUL, awful means painful. The words are given, just you have to select and write. I can't get dash the bar. I can't get through the bar. This is also from the chapter. Just now I read. थ्रू द बार, मतलब ये बार है ना केज का, उसके अंदर से वो नहीं निकल पाया. ओके, सो डिसाइडेड, अग्री, ऑफुल एंड थ्रू. ओके, नाउ we are going to begin with, now children, these are all we are solving from page number 23. We have done question number 1, that is, let me take the pen in my hand. Just now we did number 1, we have to make sentences. Number 2, we have to fill in the blanks, complete the sentences from the chapter. And now we are doing question number 3. Okay, question number 3, look at the book, page number 23. Number 3, question is, put the following words in alphabetical order. So first try to understand what is alphabetical order. You know A, B, C, D till Z, and there are 26 alphabet, and they always read, when you have been told to say A, B, C, D, of course you don't say A and then C and then P and D. No, you know, you follow the sequence, the order of the letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is the order of the letter. After A, B only. After B, C, no other letter. A, B, C, D. From nursery you are saying. So the words beginning with A, B and C, हमको इसी order में arrange करना है. We will do one example. For example, see, these are the words. Okay, the alphabetical letter begins with A. So first we have to see the first letter. You remember, first let me tell you that you have to see the first letter of the word. Now इसमें E देखेंगे आप. Here you will say C, here A, R and D. You have to see only the first letter of the word. Only the first letter of the word. Now the alphabet begins with A. Is there any word with A? Yes. Ant. So ant will be in first order. So we will write ant. A-N-T, ant. A. After A comes B. But there is no B here. Then after B comes C. Yes, there is a word with C. The first letter C. Can you see here? So you have to write cup in the second order. Okay. After C, is there any word with letter D? Yes. देखो D-O-G, dog. So this will be number 3. आपको alphabetical order में arrange करना है. After D, A, B, C, D, E. Yes, E is also there. Yes, E, G, G, egg. And of course the last word remaining is R, A and ran. Just write as it is. This is called to arrange the word in alphabetical order. Now we are going, this is an example I gave you. We are going to solve the book exercise. This is given in your book. Put the following words in alphabetical order. We will do the first one. A, bag, dog, knife, short and P-A-R-T, part. I am repeating. B-A-G, bag, D-O-G, dog, K-N-I-F-E, knife, S-H-O-R-T, short, P-A-R-T, part. आप फर्स्ट लेटर देखिए. लुक एट द ओनली फर्स्ट लेटर. ठीक है. नाउ is there any A? नहीं है, so we cannot write. After A comes B. Yes, so bag is number 1, so we will write bag. After B comes C. There is no C word with C. D, yes, dog, so we'll write D-O-G, dog. After D, E is not there, F is not there, A, B, C, D, F, G is not there, G, H is not there, I, no, J, no, K, yes. So knife number 3. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, no, P, yes. So P will be number 4. So after knife we will write part, and what is remaining is short, so just write, copy down as it is. Done. Now we'll do the B1. A, for look at only the first letter. Here T, here D, here K, here D and S. Okay, A is not there. We are doing the B1 now. A is not there, B is not there, C is not there, D, yes, there is a word with D, so that will come first. Drop. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. No, there is 2 D, sorry. There are 2 D's. So first we have to compare. As we are comparing numbers now, we will be comparing, 1 minute. We will be comparing the word with letter D, sorry. 2D, I did not see that. Now there are 2D. One is D-R-I-N-K. Another is D-R-O-P, drop. Now D and D is same, we cannot compare. R and R is same, we cannot compare. Now we will take I and O. और अब आपको देखना है कि पहले आई आता है कि ओ आता है. आई एम सेइंग ABCD नाउ. ABCDEFGHI. So drink will come first. So we will write drink. And now you know that O comes बाद में. I के बाद O बाद में आता है. So you will write drop. Now the D is over now. 1 and 2. ठीक है बेटा? The D is over. Now I'll rub this. Okay, I'll rub this. Now children, we are going to excuse me, we'll do the C1 now. We'll do the C1. This is the third exercise. Now D is over. 1 and 2 finish. You know how I did? First DR and DR I have cut because DR is common. I'm repeating children. Okay, I'll write this here so that you will remember. DRINK drink. DROP drop. D common we cannot compare. R common, and now you will see I and O. Whichever letter comes first, that word you will write first. So drink, we have written drop and we have written. D is finished. ABCDEFGHIJK. Now K. So no will come in the third place. ABCDEFGHIJK LMNOPQRS. Yes, shirt. Comma, and the last word is tall. This is how we have to arrange. Now we'll do the C1. Now first letter B, P. Now there are two TH, so we have to compare. So first we'll start with A. Any word with A? No. B? No. C? No. D? Yes. So dog will be number 1. Dog number 1. We'll write dogs. A, B, C, D. Hey, sorry. There is B. Wow, I did not see that. Yes, B will come first, beta. Okay. I'll rub that lines also so that I can write 1, 2, 3, 4. A, no. B, yes. So B is number 1. C, no. D, yes, number 2. So dogs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So P, okay. And now the two words with this and that. See, I'm explaining here. This and that. Now T common, we will not compare. THB common, a cut. Now we will take I and A. As you know, A comes with before I. So हम पहले लिखेंगे that. A पहले आता है बेटा. Then I बाद में आता है. So that first and this बाद में. If the letters are repeated, we cannot compare as we did for the numbers. Do you remember? हमने numbers में किया था 100 place में अगर 1 1 है, 10th place में भी 2 2 है. So we never used to compare the number. We used to take the number in one's place. Similarly, we are doing over here also. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn noun. I have already taught you about the noun. I am repeating. Whatever you see with your eyes, you touch and you feel, everything is noun in this world. So a noun is a word used to name a person, animal, place, thing, an abstract idea also. Nouns are usually the first word which the small children learn. Now this is an exercise on page number children. Here we are on the page number, yes, we are on page number 18. 1 minute before this, the rhyming word, I have told you this, putting the letters in alphabetical order. This we have done from the page number 23 beta. This was on the page number 23. ये page 23 के exercises थे. Okay, now nouns. This is from the poem that is the Rainbow, children. Page number 18. Page number 18. Okay, this is page number 18. Take out the book. Okay, naming words are called nouns. Okay, underline all the nouns in the following passage. अब आप देख रहे हो, there is a boy, okay, his name is Tim. He was playing in the kitchen. He stood on the chair पे खड़ा हो गया. Next to the sink, this is a sink, green color. You say wash basin, it's called as sink. Water was coming out of the tap. Now as the water was coming out, उसने क्या किया? He put his thumb under the hole in the tap. He put the thumb in the tap. So what happened? The water went all over the floor. It went all over his head. But you don't do all this thing at home, because we should not waste water. Chalo, let us underline. Tiny means small. The first word tiny का मतलब होता है small. Tiny Tim, yes, it's a noun, was playing in the kitchen. He stood on a chair. Chair is a thing. Again noun, naming word. Next line. Next to the sink. This is a noun. Chair is a noun. Tim is a noun. The one which I'm putting a tick mark. Water. Yes, water is a noun. Water was coming out of the tap. Tap is a noun. He put his thumb. Thumb is a noun. Under the hole in the tap. Tap is a noun which I've already underlined. Okay. Now, the water went all over the. Yes, I missed out the word hole here. Hole is also a noun. Hole beta gadda. Okay. The water once again went all. Next line. Over the floor. Jameen. नाम है देखो, thing है. Noun. It went all over his head. Head, floor, down, नीचे. All these words are noun. Okay, children. Please underline. Please underline, children. Now we come to the rhyming words. Rhyming words. The words that rhyme sound. The words with the same sound. The word which end with the same sound are called as a rhyming word. This examples we have done before also. Bat, cat, cap. No, this is a cap, sorry. Bat and cat. Okay. You can say hat, but this is not a hat. Okay, you can say it, no problem. Hare. Okay, rabbit, bear and chair. See the sound. Hare, bear, chair. Okay, children, come on, let us begin. Now, children, first of all, from the poem, you have to find out the rhyming words in the poem. Do you know which words are the rhyming words? Okay, I'll say it loudly. If you want, open, take out page number 16, the rainbow. Poem nikalo, the rainbow. Yes. Okay, now I am going to read out the word. You please circle those words or you underline those words. Seas, second line, last word, seas, SEAS. Okay, fourth line, these, 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 seas, these, please. Sixth line, PLEASE, please. Okay, seventh line, trees, TREES, trees. And the last line, last word, these, seas, these, please, trees, these. Please find out. It's a sort of an activity for you. Now we have to make the rhyming words which is given over here. Let us make the rhyming word. Okay. Now, pen. So you can make 10, or you can make hen. Okay, then man. Okay, you can make ran, fan, can. Then log, you can write fog. Then you can write dog. Okay, gun, you can write bun. You can write sun. Tin, you can write pin. You can write sin. Tub, you can write rubber. Then CUB, cub. You know what is cub? The baby lion, the baby tiger. Then comes the bit, SIT, sit. PIT, pit. Beg, then leg. Okay, keg. Okay, now the rhyming words which are given below are little tough, but let us try. Okay, the first is crow. Crow, so we will write grow, 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 or you can write throw. Then bend, then you can write send, SEND, SEND. I'll write again, SE, send, lend. Okay, then BUD, bud. Okay, for bud you can write mud, or you can write blood also, BLOOD, blood. Okay, then eat, you can write meat. Okay, next boy, you can write toy. Hand, okay, you can write band. Sand, for boy toy you can write joy also. Okay, for crow, I have one more word I'll give you. For crow, grow, throw also. Okay, then catch, then you can write match, then you can write batch also, BATCH, batch, match, catch. Okay, try, you can write fry, you can write cry. Now a little more difficult, girl, then you can write pearl, or you can write curly hair, pearl and a moti. Or there's a in Christians they write they keep the name of their daughter as Pearl also, beta. Pearl and a moti. You, then you can write two. Okay, then you can write few, FEW, few. Then this word is read, READ, read is two form, present and past. Past is read, the present is read. So we will use the word read. So we will write meat, read, meat, then feed also. Feed, feed and read goes very well. Okay, then 8, then you can write gate, or you can write date. है ना? Okay, children. These rhyming words are, see, simple one is easy, but the little difficult one, slowly as we are going to the higher classes, one by one, we need to improve that, children. Okay, now this is again the noun, and this is from page number, wait beta, this is page number 24. Sorry, page number, I'll write here, page 24. Page 24, question number 4 at the top. 24 का ऊपर वाला देखो, first at the top. Yes, let us match. A, number 1, a thing made of wood with 4 wheels. 4 wheels का बना हुआ क्या है? It's a cart, bullock cart. जो बैलगाड़ी लेके जाते हैं ना, bullock cart, you have seen, children? Okay. Next, a thing made, this is all noun, children, noun. A thing made of metal and wood. Any guesses? See, I'll draw for you. Yes, can you tell me? Yes, it's a knife. Next, a thing made of cotton. Cotton से क्या बनता है? Shirt. A thing made of glass. It's a mirror. And a thing made of paper, that is book. Okay? Isn't it easy? I am repeating, 4 wheels cart, made of metal and wood is a knife. A thing made of cotton is a shirt. A thing made of glass is a mirror. A thing made of paper is a book. Page number 24. That's the end, children. That's all. Please solve the exercise in the book. Please try to understand everything I have made you understand, children. Now, nothing is difficult. From my side, I am very satisfied that I have explained each and everything very nicely. So, please complete that in the book. Thank you, children.